Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to insert page numbers in MS Word. So to insert page number in MS Word, you have to click on this Insert tab, and when you will click it, here the option of page number will appear here. So click on this. You can see here are different options available, that where the page number you want to show in your document. Either it will be on top of page, bottom of page, page margins, and if you see top of page, here are different options available to you, that it will appear on left top corner, the center of the page, or in the right top corner. Similarly, if you go into bottom of page, then you will have the option to appear it left bottom of the page, center bottom of the page, or right bottom of the page. And if you want to show this number in page margins, then there is also this option page margin. And this option of current position suggests you that where your cursor is lying, the page number will appear there. And here is the option of format page numbers. Format page numbers means you can increase or decrease the font size, font style, and color of the page numbers. And in the end, you can see here, if you want to remove the page number, you can click here. So I will click on top of the page and select it to be shown in the center of the page. So I am clicking on this, and you can see it is appearing in the top center of the page. If you close this header, you can see it is appearing in the top center of the page. And if I will change it to right bottom of the page, then it will appear in right bottom of the page. So this is how you can insert your page numbers in MS Word. In the end, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.